A healthy diet is essential for preserving liver function. Numerous meals contain substances that have been demonstrated to help protect against fat accumulation, enhance liver enzymes, and reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. The liver is in charge of several bodily functions, including the synthesis of proteins, cholesterol, and bile, as well as the storage of vitamins, minerals, and even carbohydrates. Toxins like alcohol, drugs, and metabolic wastes are also broken down by it. It's critical to maintain liver health in order to stay healthy. Here are the 8 best foods to eat to help keep your liver healthy. 1. Oatmeal liver friend. Because muesli contains a high concentration of soluble fiber beta-glucan, which decreases LDL cholesterol levels, reduces the risk of fat accumulating in the liver, increases immunity, and fights inflammation. It is an excellent diet for liver health. A minimum of 3 grams of beta-glucan, or around 150 grams of muesli flakes, should be consumed daily. 2. Purple grape. Resveratrol is an antioxidant chemical that efficiently decreases inflammation and protects liver damage. It is mostly found in the seeds of purple grapes. Purple grapes are a great source of vitamin C, flavonoids, and anthocyanins, in addition to resveratrol. These nutrients all have antioxidant qualities that help to maintain the health of the liver. It is recommended that whole purple grapes, seeds and all, be consumed as supplements containing grape seed extract or in organic drinks. Purple grapes are not the only red fruits that are high in antioxidants. Red guavas, strawberries, cherries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries may all be readily incorporated into regular meals to support the health of the liver. 3. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are particularly noteworthy as a fantastic food for liver health because of their high level of good fats like omega-3 and the presence of vitamin E. In order for the benefits of a healthy liver to be reaped, these nutrients play a crucial anti-inflammatory and antioxidant role in protecting liver cells from harm brought on by free radicals and reducing fat formation in the organ. 2 Brazil nuts should be consumed daily as a snack or for breakfast. This simple routine can greatly enhance liver health and your diet. 4. Extra virgin olive oil. One of the greatest fats for overall health, including liver health, is extra virgin olive oil. Particularly abundant in it are polyphenol, which are widely recognized for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It is a highly recommended diet for liver health because of these components, which also serve to enhance blood circulation in the liver, an important organ that helps to store fat. 1 teaspoon, or around 6.5 milliliters, of extra virgin olive oil should be consumed daily to get the maximum advantages of the oil. This tiny activity can go a long way towards keeping your liver healthy. 5. Garlic liver guardian. Guardian garlic is a very healthy diet for liver health since it includes allicin, a chemical with strong antioxidant effects. Allicin significantly lowers blood levels of bad cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides. This enhances liver health by reducing the chance of fat accumulation in the liver. Making garlic tea is a fantastic way to get more garlic and enjoy its health benefits. Another method is to cut a garlic clove and immerse it for at least 10 minutes in 1 liter of water. This facilitates the release of more listeners, and the water infused with garlic enhances the flavor and health benefits of a range of meals cooked in it. 6. Avocado. Rich in elements that are beneficial to the liver, such as carotenoids, tocopherols, omega-3, and vitamins A, B, C, and E, avocados are a particularly nutrient-dense diet. Due to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, these nutrients are crucial for reducing the body's inflammatory agent production, which is directly related to the prevention of liver illnesses. Furthermore, studies indicate that benefits like weight loss may be associated with consuming avocados frequently. Lower BMI control of blood sugar levels, lower levels of triglycerides and LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and higher levels of HDL cholesterol. The good cholesterol. These results reduce the risk of developing hepatic steatosis or fatty liver. 7. Orange. Vitamin C for the liver. Because of their high vitamin C content, flavonoids, and carotenoids, oranges are an excellent food for liver function. Because of their anti-inflammatory qualities, these nutrients are crucial for minimizing cellular damage, which can lead to inflammation and the development of liver illnesses. Oranges have several other general health benefits that are worth looking into, in addition to aiding liver health. Other fruits like tangerines, pineapples, kiwis, and acerola that are high in vitamin C are also recommended for liver health. It is recommended to eat 1 raw orange or 150 milliliters of natural orange juice each day in order to get these benefits. I hope you like this video. If really, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Stay tuned with us for more videos.